In this video, we listed the 5 best drone under $500 on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. JZ T30 DJI Drone. The T30 DJI SDK Spotlight is a powerful accessory designed for use with DJI Mavic 3E, 3T drones. This spotlight features a one-button switch for easy operation, allowing for brightness adjustment and providing long-distance lighting and search capabilities. It includes features such as strong light and flash adjustments, a controllable gimbal with support for gimbal 0 to -85 degrees control, and gimbal camera linkage. Weighing only 110 g, the Spotlight offers 30 W of illumination power with a 14 degrees spot illumination and over 24 lux brightness at 50 m distance. Equipped with a single-axis stabilized gimbal, the T30 Spotlight is compatible with DJI Pilot 2 control and seamlessly integrates with both DJI Mavic 3E and DJI Mavic 3T drones. The package includes the T30 Spotlight and ensures a quick-release installation with its screw mechanism. With dimensions of 132 by 43 by 64 mm and an IP4X protection level, this Spotlight is a valuable addition for enhancing visibility and performance during drone operations. Number 2. FIMI X8 Camera Drone. The FIMI X8 SE 2022 V2 is a camera drone designed in mainland China with a variety of features and specifications. It offers a 4K video resolution at 4096 by 2160 pixels with a removable and replaceable battery for extended use. Equipped with a 3-axis gimbal camera stabilization system and a 48 million pixel camera that includes features like 4K HD video recording, this drone ensures stable and high-quality aerial photography. It operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency with a maximum flight time of 15 minutes and a transmission range suitable for various settings. The drone also features a loudspeaker, FPV operation, GPS, and a 2.0-inch sensor size, providing an immersive and enjoyable flight experience. Despite lacking certain advanced features like an RTK module and sensing system, the FIMI X8 SE 2022 V2 appeals to users looking for a reliable and functional camera drone from a reputable brand. Number 3. HUBSAN Zino Pro RC Drone. The Zino Pro quadcopter is an advanced level drone equipped with high-quality features and specifications. With unfolded dimensions of 304 by 252 by 90 mm and folded dimensions of 187 by 104 by 90 mm, this drone is compact and portable. It boasts a 4K Ultra HD camera with a 3-axis removable gimbal for stable footage, powered by brushless motors for efficient performance. The drone comes with a 11.4V 3000 mAh 3S lithium battery providing a maximum flight time of 23 minutes. The 5.8 GHz wireless remote controller offers various functions like GPS location tracking, one-key takeoff and landing, and tap to fly. With a range of 4 km and GPS plus GLONASS positioning, the Zino Pro ensures reliable and precise flight. The package includes the drone, remote controller, propellers, charger, cables, and manual. The drone is compatible with various composite products and the company offers express shipping, emphasizing high quality, competitive pricing, and excellent after-sales service. Number 4. FIMI X8 SE Drone. The Datafone X8 camera drone is a lightweight and portable device designed for aerial photography. With a maximum takeoff weight of less than 1 kg, it offers a flight time of up to 27 minutes and can operate at a distance. The drone features a 4K HD camera with a 3-axis gimbal for stabilized image and video capture, supporting video resolutions up to 4096 by 2160 pixels at various frame rates. Equipped with GPS, the drone also supports FPV operation and connects via APP controller, remote control, or Wi-Fi. The removable and replaceable battery ensures extended usage, while the camera integration allows for high-quality video recording. Certified by CE and FCC, this drone is suitable for enthusiasts looking for a versatile and reliable aerial photography tool. Number 5. i9 Max 240G GPS Drone. The drone, identified as the i9 Max by the brand QJ from mainland China, is equipped with a 4K UHD video capture resolution and a 3-axis gimbal camera mount type. Its operator skill level ranges from beginner to expert, making it versatile for various users. The drone is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use and features a brushless motor, offering a flight time of up to 26 minutes. Additionally, it incorporates various features such as app-controlled functionality, auto-return, follow-me mode, and FPV capability. The package includes essential items like the camera, batteries, remote controller, and USB cable, making it ready for use upon assembly. Moreover, it comes with a range of recommended operating conditions and specifications, such as a maximum flight altitude of 4,000 m above sea level and compatibility with specific phone systems for its designated app. Overall, the drone's comprehensive features and specifications make it a compelling option for aerial photography and recreational use.